What will happen if you are not making money online in 2021? Yes, no, nothing will happen. I will still be the same. Everything will be the same. No. Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. It's your friend boys Monakes again. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy to see you guys in the next video again. Today we're going to discuss what will happen in 2021 if you're not making money online. First of all, let me tell you guys, 90% of the richest people in the world are making money online. Let me just take an example. Jeff Bezos, the richest person in the world, everything is online. It's like all his wealth, all his money coming from online. Warren Buffett, online. Bill Gates, online. Jack Ma, online. E-commerce, Jack Ma of China, online. Who else? I don't know. Whoever you know is online. Like 80 or 90% of their income, their main income, coming from online. They're not somewhere and it's physical like that. It's online. So what I want to tell here is that in 2021 this will multiply by maybe 10 or 20 times, because people keeping making money online instead of making money physically like that. They think of making money physically will disappear in 2021 for sure. Small advice: if your smartphone in your hand does not give you something in return, like your ROI is zero, is negative with your smartphone. For example, you invest $300 or $400 to buy a smartphone, and this smartphone is just to check people's status or check people's story and destroy your life while people don't even care about you. If your smartphone in your hand does not give you something, throw it and buy a small phone who does not have internet, and you just need to pick a call and send an SMS. That's it. Otherwise, use your phone and your smartphone the smartest way. Yeah, so let's dive deep into the story now. What I'm saying, like, if you're not making money online in 2020, will be dangerous, will be terrible for you. For example, some people will say, to make money online, this thing are scam, like people scamming people online, blah, blah. But what you will do, you will say, no, I will go and open a shop to sell cosmetic, or I will go open a shop to sell like a small item so that I can grow later and do everything. But what you will sell, for example, if you're selling like cosmetic, people are selling that online. If you just take your phone, you type something, okay, this name, they will provide you. Google will provide you, or Amazon, or like whatever you want. So everything is online. I don't know what you will sell, and you'll go up. So why not use this technology wisely and make money online instead of go all to this process? Because the process of, okay, I will start a small business, I will open a small shop, is age ago people were doing that. At that time we were no like Amazon, I will order on Amazon, I will order on Alibaba, I will order on whatever. Yeah, there is not. But nowadays things are changing. So you have to find a way to make money online. You cannot be focused on making money physically. Okay, I will wait for my salary. Hey, if you take a small example, for example, you're studying right now, the money you receive from like I don't know, from your scholarship or from parent or something like that, it is enough. So like, consider this money as salary. For example, you wait like the whole month to receive one time money, and you have to manage all this amount to fit the remaining day of the month. It's like it will be the routine and it will be the rat race. So you cannot come out of this situation easily. So the better way to come out of this situation is to find a way to make money online. For example, Amazon affiliate. When people are talking about Amazon affiliate, this guy, no, he always talking about Amazon affiliate. Himself, he making money online. Like if you like talk with someone and say like, okay, I'm doing like Amazon affiliate, the person don't believe in you. There is people who are making money online with Amazon affiliate, and it's true. People are making money online. Like, it's not, people are making 7-figure online with Amazon affiliate. They are not Jeff Bezos, they are not Jack Ma or something like that. They're just reselling people things. Yeah. People say no, I opened my Amazon affiliate, but I don't. Come on, you think like you will woke up overnight like that, put a product and poof? No. I talk about, for example, this app Misho. You can resell things for free. You don't need any amount. You just need zero thing to start. You just need your phone number, and you just need to link your bank account. Zero. You don't need any penny to start this one. I'm talking about that people are busy asking me, do yourself making money? Yes, I do make money on this app here, but it's not a big amount of money, but still money. I start like promoting products there, like on my WhatsApp, on Facebook. You can go on Facebook Marketplace and post there for free, and if you get sale, it's for you. It's not for anybody. So I start posting this one in a Facebook group, in my WhatsApp status and everything. I get some sales, but it was not that much. It was not $10,000 and something like it was. If I remember, my all combined is about like 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees is less than even like $50. Yeah, it's less than $50, but it's still money. I make this money without investing anything. I made this money without investing even a single thing. So why not trying and busy asking people? No, do yourself making money there. That's loser mindset. Yeah. So in 2021, if you're not making money online, it's a big risk, because everybody try to come out of the circle of salary. Oh, my salary, I'm waiting for my salary. If I receive my salary, I'll pay your loan back. If I receive my salary, I will do that. If I receive my salary, no, don't live on the basis of if I receive this one, I will do that. If I receive this one, I will do that. No. Let me give you guys another example of a job that like disappear out of sight. For example, a cameraman, a filmmaker. Before, like to make a movie and something like that, people like jump in helicopter, holding the camera and the filming, on top like that. They just filming, busy filming. But nowadays you cannot find all this. No, nowadays what you will do with all this? You just take a drone and you're good to go. Like you stand down there. You don't even need to to kill yourself in helicopter so that maybe the old helicopter can crash and all. You don't need all this. You just stand, take your drone, and yeah, you're good to go. So people who were busy, looking for this type of job is over. It's over. So you don't have any opportunity. But to start a business online is good. It's reliable, and it's you just need a little bit hard work. Yeah. Don't think like you will post something today and tomorrow you'll have like 10,000 sales. No. At least do something online. Or if you cannot do like a affiliate marketing or something like that, just start a YouTube channel. It's good. Just start a YouTube channel. YouTube channel is good. Don't think like, oh, okay, I just like get monetized like a few days ago. People think like, oh, this guy making money through ad. No, relax. YouTube have like a lot of ways to make money. There's people who like you from your content, from your personality, from everything you are. But they can decide to give you money. They can decide to give you money. Yeah, they say, okay, I like what you're doing. I like everything what you're doing. I'm giving you this one because I like what you're doing. I'm your fan. Simple as that. People making money online and other people are sleeping. But in 2021, it will be different. It will be really, really different if you are not making money online. Also, we have another option also where you can use your smartphone, you can use your laptop, you can use everything. All you need is just a small amount of investment. Stock market. People are making money on stock market, on trading forex, and like cryptocurrency. People are making money there. So why not try it? The best way to to know everything or to know a situation is to try it. Okay, like people say that, let me try and see what will happen. For example, I'm talking about like mutual fund. People don't even interest about mutual fund. Like they keep in. But if you're talking about like, oh, my girlfriend do this one, this what is not important. This one is not important. your girlfriend. That's not the true story of life. Yeah, but learn something that will be beneficial for you in the future. Everybody want to like, I saw people's stories, they put in Warren Buffett picture there and say something, but you know what Warren Buffett doing? It's just trading online. It's just buying stock and holding and resell it. That's why he's billionaire. So you busy putting his picture on your status, on your story. No, life is like that, life is like that. So why you are not applying? See, let me tell you guys something. Before I was that focused on unnecessary thing, but since I said, okay, let me also try and see, I realized that, oh, okay, actually this one can work. It's like people are talking how to make money online, how to do this one, how to do this one. But if you're not really trying things, you cannot know what's really going on in the planet Earth. Yeah. So that's what I want to tell you guys. Be careful. Use your phone wisely in 2021, because there is certain job that will disappear in 2021 and you will not have the opportunity to get something out of that. I want to be a doctor. There is doctor online, consultancy online. I want to be a lawyer. There is online lawyer, or all these things. So do everything related to the new technology so that it will be better for you. Yeah. Thank you to watch that video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm also enjoying making this video and enjoying giving you guys advice, as every day, as it's Monakes. Thank you, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.